Investors are happy with the price of XRP these days. What if I told you this was just a warm-up? Some experts think that XRP will soon be worth more than $300. That's pretty cool, right? What makes you so excited, though? In their court case, Coinbase, one of the biggest cryptocurrency companies, is going up against the SEC. You'll be sorry you missed that show. Let me quickly go over everything step by step, making things exciting and controversial. Ripple is a company that wants to use blockchain technology to change the way cross-border payments are made. They have had a lot of legal problems with the Securities and Exchange Commission. During this chaos, Coinbase's part and the rumored support for Ripple have become important topics of conversation, especially since they could affect how the lawsuits turn out and what the future holds for XRP. There have been rumors lately that Coinbase, a big Bitcoin exchange, is helping Ripple in its court case against the SEC. Some people think that Coinbase's CEO might even own XRP, but these reports have not been proven. If it's true, Coinbase's help could make a huge difference for Ripple. Coinbase has a lot of power in the cryptocurrency world, and its support for Ripple's fight against the SEC could give it respect and resources. It's impossible to stress how important it is that Coinbase supports Ripple. It is one of the biggest and most trusted places to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in the world. Its participation in the case would probably bring more attention to Ripple's situation. It could also change public opinion, and maybe even change the way the case is handled in court. This help is very important for people who own XRP. If Ripple vs. SEC wins, it could change how other cryptocurrencies are controlled in the future, which could have an impact on their investments and the market as a whole. Coinbase has also been in court fights with the SEC, which is an interesting twist. The exchange has asked SEC Chair Gary Gensler to produce papers from when he was in charge of the agency. This move shows how tense things are between the SEC and big names in the Bitcoin business. The legal approach used by Coinbase shows how frustrated the industry as a whole is with what it sees as too much regulatory overreach by the SEC. In a recent decision, U.S. District Judge Catherine Polk-Fayala said that Coinbase could only subpoena papers from when Gensler was chair, showing how hard and complicated these legal battles are. The SEC has also failed in other governing efforts, such as its failed attempt to gain more control over how companies protect their data. A federal judge threw out this case, stressing that the SEC's governing power should stay limited to financial controls. This ruling, which showed how little power the SEC really has, was a big relief for many businesses. The legal fights between Ripple, Coinbase, and the SEC are affecting how cryptocurrencies will be regulated in the future. People who support Ripple are hoping that the case will end in their favor, especially since possible resolution dates like July 27th are being thrown around. Many well-known people in the crypto community, like the lawyer known as Metaloman, have spoken out against the SEC's actions and want it to rethink how it regulates and how it spends its money. As these legal dramas play out, Ripple and its community may need the help of powerful friends like Coinbase, and the results are likely to have big effects on how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US and other places. These changes will affect everyone who owns Ripple or XRP as well as all digital assets. The Ripple effect has also caught the attention of people who study cryptocurrencies. They have carefully looked over the most recent charts, and what they have found is truly amazing. You won't believe the signs of strength that come from this study, believe me. What's going to happen next is not ready for you. So everyone in the crypto world is excited, and XRP is at the center of it all. Jack the Rippler said it best when he wrote that the crypto world is about to see the biggest bull run it has ever seen. Watch out for what XRP is about to do. You'll lose your mind. This feeling sums up how excited people are about XRP right now, especially since analysts and fans are speculating that it could hit all-time highs. Analyst Heiken Ashi thinks that the price of XRP will go up by a huge 710 times, possibly hitting $305. This is one of the most extreme predictions. In his research, Ashi finds similarities between the current candlestick patterns for XRP and historical trends that caused big price jumps in the past. He says that similar trends were seen before huge gains in 2016 and 2017. Ashi thinks that the rise will happen in several stages, with XRP possibly hitting $1.20, $2, $6, and $16 before it reaches the lofty $305 mark. A rise like this would make the value of XRP 71,000% higher, bringing its market cap to an incredible $30.5 trillion. But people have very different ideas about when XRP will reach this important milestone. Other market experts are more pessimistic, but Ashi's chart shows that it might happen between 2025 and 2026. According to experts at the cryptocurrency market Changely, XRP won't be worth $300 until at least October 2040, and it will be worth no more than $315 by November 2040. This more realistic view shows how hard it is to make such long-term predictions. These different points of view show how uncertain and excited people are in the crypto world as a whole. For people who own XRP, the chance of such huge gains is very tempting. The thought of XRP's price reaching three figures makes people want to make a lot of money and solidifies its position as a big player in the cryptocurrency market. The ongoing legal fight between Ripple and the SEC makes things even more complicated and interesting. It is said that Coinbase supports Ripple, and it's possible that the company's CEO owns XRP. This could be a very important issue in the court case. Coinbase's power and resources could help Ripple in its battle against the SEC, which could change the end in Ripple's favor. This support is very important for people who own XRP because a good outcome could greatly increase the worth and reputation of XRP on the market. Let's talk about the whales now. You can't say enough about how important they are to crypto markets. The prices of XRP can go down or up with the click of a button thanks to these strong players. They are bullish right now. After this, what does this mean for XRP? Let's get right to it and figure it out. So big buyers called whales and sharks have been buying XRP at a rate that has never been seen before over the last 11 months. Santiment, a blockchain analytics tool, says that these key stakeholders now own a record 51 billion XRP Ripple coins, which are worth more than $29 billion. This large buildup shows a major change in the way XRP is distributed and a strong belief in the asset's long-term prospects. This rise in collection has happened at the same time that XRP's price has gone up noticeably. The value of the token recently went above $0.60 for the first time since the middle of April. This was mostly due to investors having more than 100,000 XRP. This trend of building up, which started in August of last year, seems to have made the market more stable and helped prices rise faster. These big investors are buying a lot of XRP, which shows that they have a lot of faith in its potential, even though there are still legal fights going on and the market is uncertain. As these whales and sharks continue to buy XRP, they are taking a long-term view and betting on the success of the cryptocurrency in the future. Santiment's study also points out an interesting difference in the market as a whole. While XRP is gaining value, Cardano is seen as one of the most bearish of Ethereum's rivals based on how people feel about it on social media. This strong bearishness could mean that prices are about to change, which could be a good thing for buyers who want to trade against the market's current mood. But it's important to remember that even though XRP is rising in value, Santiment warns of instability in the near future. The huge amount of excitement on social media about XRP and Litecoin says that prices could change a lot. This greater emotional excitement in the market can lead to more risk and volatility. As Santiment says, buyers should be careful and keep a strategic mindset even when the market is volatile. And now the only question is, what do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will go up? What do you think will happen? Please tell me in the comments. Would be interested to know. This video has now come to an end. Thanks for seeing it. Like the post, leave a comment with your ideas or questions, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe if you liked it and found it useful.